Insulation is crucial component of refrigeration and air conditioning systems. So, variety of insulating materials are used to control the heat transfer from the system to the surrounding. Depending upon the application, appropriate insulating material is used, which is available in different shape, size and geometry. In split air conditioners and window type air conditioners, the pipeline, the copper pipeline is covered with this type of tubings. This is insulating tubing and available in different diameters in the market. The mostly material used is foam, which is polyurethane foam, and this foam is used as a insulating material this way, and then it should be wrapped with tape to minimize the air gap between the surface of copper pipe and the insulating material. As I will show you here, this bare copper pipe, and here is the tubing. It is wrapped completely, and then a tape is used to grip it firmly. This way, this was one diameter and one type. Of course, color is different, and the another one for very small diameter. These are pieces, small pieces. Another pipe, insulating pipe of different diameter, and they are available in standard length of 10 meters or so. Then we have this type of sheets, insulating material sheet of the same material, polyurethane foam. So they are available in large sheets of say 1 meter width and roll of say 10 meters or 15 meters, and in different diameter. This is for 1 inch diameter, 25 mm, and they are available from 5 mm, 3 mm, 8 mm, different diameter thickness they are available. And for better insulation, the same sheet is covered with small thickness, very thin aluminium foil. This way, this thin aluminium foil is pasted on the surface here for better results. They are to cover the surfaces, bare surfaces, and if there is enough gap in between the surfaces, then loose glass wool is also used. As you can see, this is glass wool. Glass wool is also used as insulating material. They are available in loose fill as well as in the sheet form. This is in sheet form. You can see the fibers are coming out. So its property is very important. If it touches the human body, bare skin, then it creates lot of itching and very irritating. So one has to be very careful while using glass wool. So this is sheet of glass wool, and this is loose fill. It is filled in between the two surfaces. In central air conditioning plants, as I shown you in another video, a composite structure is used for better insulation, in which one thermocol board, then mortar firmly gripped with the help of wire mesh, and then covered with a polythene also, and then it is painted outside. So this board is nothing but the thermocol board. As you can see, I brought one thermocol board, this one. So this thermocol board is in rectangular shape of 2-inch thickness, but the same material is available in spherical size, semi-spherical size. So two semi-spheres are put on each other to cover the pipeline. As you can see, the pipeline, mark of the pipeline, not pipeline, covered with half semicircle, and the another semicircle is coming at the top to complete the unit. According to the length of pipe, the semicircle of thermocol is cut and put at the appropriate places. The insulating property of the thermocol, of course, depend upon the size of balls. As you can see, small balls, these balls, and their binding. The foam sheets are not easy to put on the surface. They are provided on the surface with the help of a adhesive, which is this. They are synthetic rubber adhesive. They are used to paste the foam on the surface. The appropriate quantity of the paste first is layered with the help of brush on the surface like this. I am not taking this to avoid wastage. And then this sheet is pressed for some time, say for few seconds, and then it gets pasted on the surface this way. So this is commercially available synthetic rubber adhesive.